Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angela. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'll be showing you guys how I do my own nails at home, and I am using no acrylic. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment down below. Share the video as well, and don't forget to press the notification bell. So as you can see, I'm starting off with cutting my nails, making sure that they're short and they're clean. And then next up, I'm going to file them just after I've cut them, just to make sure that they're shaped properly. And yeah, just gonna file them, making sure that everything is nice and neat, nice and smooth, you know what I'm saying. So now I'm gonna file the top of my nail as well. I think it's called the nail bed. I could be wrong, but the reason why I'm doing that is because I don't want the nails to fall off quicker. So in order for them to last a little longer than they normally would if you wouldn't file the top of the nail, then you would want to make sure that all your nails are properly filed before you use your glue and you stick your nail on. Now that I'm done filing my nails, I'm going to push my cuticles back a little, just a little, not too much, simply because I don't want to be catching an infection. So I'm just going to push back my cuticles. Oh, and by the way guys, every single product that I use in this video I got from a store called Value Co. It's a shop similar to like your Miniso. Yeah. Anyways, I'll leave everything that I've used in the description box below. Next, I'm going to go in with my primer, and I'm just going to put that all over my nails. So next up, I'm going to go in with my false nails, and I'm just gonna make sure that each nail fits onto my real nails perfectly, and I'm just going to match that up for the other hand as well. Guys, I really hope that made sense, but that's the easiest way I could explain it. Now I'm going in with my glue, and I'm going to be applying it directly onto my real nails, and I'm going to then take the false nail and I'm going to press that on for about 10 seconds, more or less 10 seconds, just to make sure that it's properly stuck on. So far, so good. So I'm just gonna do the same for the other hand as well. Guys, I just want to say, after applying the nails, if there's a specific shape that you would like, then that's when you would start shaping your nails after you've applied them, you've stuck your nails on. This time around I was going for a square kind of look, so that's why you didn't see me shape my nails afterwards. So if there's a specific shape that you want, that's when you would shape your nails, whether you want ballerina, stiletto, almond, or yeah, coffin. That's when you would shape them after you've applied them on. So next I'm going to go in with my base coat gel, and I'm just going to apply a thin layer. The reason why I'm applying a thin layer is because it takes less time to cure it under the lamp. So if you want to apply more layers, go ahead, just know that you're going to take more time curing it. And now I'm just going to cure my nails for about 30 to 60 seconds, just until it is dried up. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand as well. Okay guys, all done, and now it's time to go in with the color that you would like. And this time around I chose the color red. You can choose any color that you like. Yeah, so I'm just gonna apply that all over the nails, making sure that I apply a thin layer once again so it's quicker to cure. Yeah, just make sure you take your time, don't rush, because you're gonna end up with messy nails and then you're gonna have to start all over again, or you're going to spend more time cleaning them up. So take your time, don't rush, apply thin layers. Preferably I would suggest that you go in with thin layers because it takes less time to cure it. So as you can see, I only went in with just one layer simply because I didn't see or didn't feel the need to go in with more layers. So if you do feel like you want to go in with 2 layers, 3 layers, go ahead. It will just take you a little longer than it would if you just applied one layer. Guys, check out how bomb these nails look though. I really like how they look so far. So I'm going to make sure I'm curing these nails as long as I need to, just so I make sure that they're properly dried up, because I don't want my nails to smudge. So whatever I've done on my left hand, I'm going to do on the right hand as well. And I'm just going to make sure that I also cure it for as long as I need to. You need to take your time, don't rush, because you want to end up with great results. And another thing, you guys, you want to make sure that you clean your nails up before you cure them, because if you do it after, you won't be able to clean them up. So next up, I'm going with my top coat, and I'm also going to be applying a thin layer. Really guys, there's no need to be applying thick clumpy layers, and by layers I mean you apply once and then you cure, and then if you're going to apply the second time, that's the second layer and you cure it. If you're going to apply the third time, that's the third layer and you're going to cure it. And I'm going to be curing that top coat for the last time. After that, I am done. See how quick and easy that was, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.